Free speech is under attack by both government agencies and big corporations. Americans are fighting on multiple fronts for the soul of this nation. It is more important than ever in our history that we stand up to protect our First Amendment rights. High school students are offered an opportunity to enter the Bauervic essay competition by March 1st. The topic: censorship, fake news, and viewpoint discrimination. You can win thousands in cash prizes. To help you write a winning essay, Northwood invites you to a lecture this Monday night at 7 in the Griswold Auditorium. Aaron Terr, Director of Public Advocacy for the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression, will explore the role of the government versus market forces in enabling free and responsible speech. The mission of the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression is to defend and sustain the individual rights of all Americans to free speech and free thought, the most essential qualities of liberty. Come and bring your families and friends. The event is free and open to the public.